In this video, I will show you how to change your EA ID name. Your EA ID is your public username across EA games and EA websites. So if you want a fresh new name, you need to follow these steps. First, open any web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type EA account and search. From the results, select the top link, which will take you to the official EA account website. Once the page loads, select the page profile icon in the top right corner and choose sign in. Here you can log in using a linked gaming platform or sign in with your email or phone number. After signing in, you will be redirected back to the home page. Now select the profile icon again and choose account settings. Inside account settings, scroll down until you see your EA ID, and to change it, simply select edit next to your EA ID. You will be asked to verify your identity before making changes, and once verified, enter the new EA ID you want. Keep in mind this name will be your public identity across all EA games and services. So avoid using your real first or last name. After typing in your new name, select save, and if the name is available, your EA ID will be updated instantly. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.